With just over 23,000 miles, this 2013 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT Coupe may be the car that you would really like to have. Boy, we're glad to show you this one. Always glad to show you all the Corvettes here. They're beautiful. They're hand-picked Corvettes. They go through a great inspection process before they ever come out to the showroom floor. This is a beautiful car, torch red on the exterior, ebony interior, and under the hood, let's take a look. 436 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. This car is going to be fun to drive. Factory-in features include the $2,145 2LT Preferred Equipment Group. In case you don't know, this includes heads-up display, Bose CD XM MP3 stereo with navigation. It has the steering wheel controls as well. And it has a center console-mounted USB with auxiliary inputs and, of course, the Bluetooth package. The Grand Sport package includes the Z06 size wheels, tires, and brakes, has wider fenders and quarter panels, the Z06 style rear spoiler and front splitter, the Z06 style front bumper, rear-mounted battery, dry sump oiling, rear differential cooler, and specific gear ratios. Dual-mode exhaust is on this car, along with competition black wheels and the Grand Sport Heritage package. ZR1 style rear spoilers include with the HID headlights, the dual power seats, side airbags, OnStar, dual zone climate control, and of course this car has keyless entry and start along with everything power. This car comes with a clean Carfax and of course all the nice options we've mentioned and more. The 2013 Corvette Grand Sport shows, as we said, 23,237 miles, and it is in nice condition. The car's paint has a great shine. And again, all of our Corvettes here are hand-picked, so give one of our sales representatives a call today here in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. Remember, we have a great selection of cars here. You can check us out online. You can check out all our videos and our photos as well. But remember, we specialize in selling online. We make it something you can do with ease and something you can do with confidence. And remember, we ship nationwide every month. We ship worldwide as well. So give us a call or come in and visit. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to see you real soon.